Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Session 3 Part 1. In this session we'll study the Jeem series, Sakoon and Tashdeed. I pronounce all the Jeem series alphabets in front of you. The first one is Jeem, then it's J, then it's Badi Hai, Badi Hai. The word badi in the name badi hai means big. Okay, there are actually three letters that represent an H sound. The remaining two will be introduced later. Okay, and the last one is he, he, he sound. Okay, so now we proceed to the next step, in which we'll practice writing these alphabets. Okay, practice writing the letters Jeem, J, Badi Hai and He on a separate sheet of paper. Bring at the point indicated by the arrow from this point. Okay, and first draw the basic shape. After that, write the identifying dots. Okay, each time you write a letter, pronounce its name aloud. Like let's suppose I'm writing this alphabet, which is Jeem, so I'll pronounce it Jeem while writing Jeem. Okay, I present the letter Jeem as a representative of the entire Jeem series. Write the other letters of the series by drawing the basic shape and then adding the dots appropriate. Okay, it's your task. Okay, I write all other Jeem series alphabets here for your easiness. Okay, you can check all these after writing your own alphabets on a separate sheet. Okay, so after Jeem there are J, He, which is called Badi Hai as well, Badi Hai, and the last one is He. Okay, so try writing all these by yourself, and that's it for today's session. Wish you best of luck and take care of yourself till the next session. Allah Hafiz.